Everyone, I am Zafar Ali. Today I am teach you. Today my lecture is about the letter and sound and the vowel and consonant and the word. What is word and the syllable and the kinds of syllable, monosyllable, bisyllable, and the trisyllable and polysyllable. And this is my all about the lecture. Today I will teach you about these things. So let's start I am going to start my lecture. So first of all, I am going to tell you what is letter and sound. So every language possesses alphabet. Each symbol of alphabet is called letter. So now question arises that if letter is alphabet and now sound is what? The pronunciation of that letter is called sound. So each letter has different sound. Means each letter has a different sound. One letter has maybe 2 or 3 sounds possible. So English language has 26 letters. This is the alphabet of English language from A to Z. Now this is all about the letter and sound. Now I am going to move about the vowel and consonant. So in English language there are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel sounds and these are the consonant sounds. And also I will tell you that W and Y are semi-vowels. You have to keep in mind that W and Y are semi-vowels. So these are vowels, 5 vowels. Without these letters no word is formed. Without these 5 sound of vowels, no word is formed. So now I am going to move the word. What is word? Word is group of letters. Means collections of the letters or group of the letters is called word. Example: apple, write, read. These are the example of words. So letters combine, A, P, P, L, E. Apple. So letters combine to form a word. This is easy. So now I am going to move what is syllable. You know that word has parts. Some word has one sound, some word has 2 sounds, some has many sounds, some has 3 sounds. So what is syllable? Word which has more than 2 sounds, each sound is called syllable. So the sounds of the words is called syllable. One sound, monosyllable, bisyllable means 2 sound, and trisyllable means 3 sound, and the polysyllable means more than 4 sound. What is syllable? Definition: word which has more than 2 sound, each sound is a syllable. So words has sounds. Words has sounds. Each sound is called syllable. Words के जो होते हैं, words has sounds. Means words has sounds and each sound has called the syllables. Now I am going to tell you how syllables. Beautiful, beautiful. These are the sounds. 1 sound, 2, 3. Beautiful has 3 sounds. Means this is the trisyllable. You say trisyllable. Yes. And now I am going the kinds of syllable. How many kinds of syllable? There are the 4 kinds of syllable. Number 1 is monosyllable, which has 1 sound. Means only 1 sound is called monosyllable. Now I am going to tell you the monosyllables example. Read, write, speak. Read, write, speak. These are the example of monosyllables. It has a 1 sound, only a sound. Bio or disyllable. What is bio or disyllable? Words which has 2 sound. Means these words has 2 sounds. Example is speaker, teacher. These are the examples. Example of these is reader. These are the example. Now I am going to move the trisyllable. which has 3 sounds. Now example is neighborhood. Neighborhood. It has a 3 sounds. Yesterday. It has 3 sound. Informing. 3 sound. Tomorrow. 3 sound. Polysyllable, which has more than 2 sounds, or more, which has 4 or more sounds, means many sounds in a word, that is called the polysyllable. As a international, it has 1 2 3 4 5 sound, means it is a polysyllable. And is misunderstanding, 1 2 3 4 5, this is a 5 sound. And the beautiful, it's a 4 sound. So this is all about the syllables. I hope you enjoyed my lecture. If you like my lecture, if you like, share it, comment it. If you have a confusion, comment it. You can ask any question from me. Thank you for watching.